Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear wheel speed sensor on a Jeep Wrangler. First, recognize symptoms like an illuminated ABS or traction control light or an erratic speedometer. Next, collect your tools, including an 8mm or 9mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. Always prioritize safety by using a jack and jack stands to secure your vehicle before beginning any work. Begin by safely lifting your Jeep Wrangler and securing it with jack stands. Then, remove the rear wheel to gain clear access to the work area. The rear wheel speed sensor is typically located near the wheel hub assembly, often behind the shock tower. You should be able to spot its electrical wiring harness leading to it. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old sensor. It often has a small red locking tab you need to slide back. Using an 8mm or 9mm socket, remove the single bolt holding the sensor in place. Gently twist and pull the old sensor out. Insert the new sensor, secure it with its bolt, and firmly reconnect the electrical wiring harness. Once the new sensor is installed, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Jeep Wrangler. If you have a diagnostic scanner, clear any stored ABS or traction control codes. Finally, take your Jeep for a test drive to ensure the new sensor is functioning correctly and that all warning lights on your dashboard have turned off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.